Hi guys, the admit card is now available on the CAT website. If you go to the imcat.ac.in where you have done the payment and everything, there register login ID. You go to login ID. The admit card for CAT 2021 is now available. Registered candidates may log in to access the same. So you have to do the login ID. The moment you log in, you can check out the site. And this is the prime time because exactly 30 days from today, you will have your CAT exam. And that's where I'm launching this program now, 30 days to the CAT exam. Let's try to clear the cutoff in the last 30 days. Let's try to work hard and clear the cutoff. So from the verbal point of view, this is the main syllabus, a complete syllabus for the last 30 days. I want you to identify your strong area and weak area. You can take a screenshot of this RC, non-RC. Within RC, the type of questions, within parajumble type of question. In fact, this workshop is starting from tomorrow. So in case you want to join us, you can join us today so that tomorrow you can attend our G strategy workshop for RC. And over the next 3 weeks, I want to complete all the main topic, parajumble, odd man out, para summary, and para completion. Fine. To clear the cutoff, open category target is section wise. Minimum target is 80 percentile and reserved category minimum target is 90 percentile. For that, you have to attempt around 9 to 11 question for reserved category and open category. Yes, if you get clear 80 percentile, you will get the IMCOR. आगे आपको 90 percentile target करना है, 99, 100 percentile, that's totally your wish. Okay, same way, moving to the DLR section. This is a complete syllabus from the DLR point of view. The total 15 topics now. Yeah, I want you to find out how much time you're taking, accuracy you're getting per topic, so that I can clear the cutoff. And same way from the DLR point of view, your target attempt for 70 and 80 percentile is 6 to 8 questions. 90 percentile, 99 percentile. Those who have already joined CET Kings, that's a quant this thing. So all the lectures are recorded as well because we have conducted all the lectures earlier as well. So her recording, everything is given in this PDF. So you can take a screenshot as well. So that quant, which topic is available where, all the topics of quant, verbal, where what is available, and DI logic, verbal, DI logic, where what is available, everything is given there. So the lecture to connect in the classroom as well. Whichever topic we're not able to connect in the classroom will be, the recording will be available there. Fine. So that's the overall plan for the next 3 weeks for quant. All the topics for quant. You can take a screenshot of quant topics. Yeah. This is a complete syllabus from the quant, arithmetic and modern maths, the two most important topics. And then syllabus from the geometry numbers, time speed distance PNC and algebra. Okay, so in case you want to join our program, you can call the numbers given here on the screen, or the number are also given in the description box. So based on your CAT admit card, whenever you got the date, this is the right time to pull up your socks, guys. अभी अपने पास 30 days बाकी है. 30 days में top कर पाओ नहीं कर पाओ वो तुम्हारे हाथ में, but yes, cut off I can clear. I can promise you that yes, we can clear the cutoff in the time frame we have. So yes, so there's 30 days to CAT program. In case you join, you can click the link in the description box. I want to focus on the weekly targets. These are the topics we are going to cover this week. So tomorrow we have the G strategy for RC, Thursday and Friday. Next 2 days, I want to complete the full G strategy for RC. So when is your CAT ka date? Please post. All the best.